In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom on your Mac and install the application. This is a pretty straightforward process, and by following along with this guide, you'll be ready to use Zoom in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, whichever one you're most comfortable using. For this walkthrough, we're using Google Chrome, but feel free to use Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you like. Once you've got that open, navigate over to Google's homepage. Here, we're starting at the very beginning to ensure you know exactly where everything needs to go. But if you have a different search engine set as your default, you can of course start from there. Now, in the search bar, type in Zoom for Mac. What we're aiming for here is to find the official Zoom website, where we can download a version specifically tailored for Apple devices. Once you've entered your search, hit the Enter key and you should see a list of search results populate the page. You'll want to look for the link that mentions downloading Zoom for Mac. This will typically be one of the top results, and it should be linked directly to Zoom's official website. If you see anything else that looks like an ad or seems sketchy, just stay clear and stick to the official source. Once you've located the correct link, go ahead and give it a click. This will bring you to Zoom's download page, specifically designed for Mac users. Here, you'll find different versions of the download based on the type of processor your Mac has. If you're using a newer Mac, chances are you'll need to click on the download for Apple Silicon option. Apple has been transitioning its computers to their Apple Silicon chips, so it's important to ensure compatibility. Once you've clicked on the download link, your browser will begin downloading the Zoom installer. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few moments. Keep an eye on your browser's download bar to see when it's complete. After the download finishes, you'll need to open it up. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window. Double-click the installer to open it. A window will pop up on your screen, and from here you simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The process is pretty intuitive. Just continue clicking through the installation prompts, allowing the permissions it needs to run successfully on your system. And that's it. You're now ready to use Zoom on your Mac. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. It's for